Hello student, I am explaining chapter 4, 5 children and 8 until page number 35 I have explained. Now I am going to explain page number 36 and let's see what happened. And the appearance of that children have changed. They have changed and become very beautiful, but they were not able to recognize them. But by their clothes they come to know that they were the same children, but the baby is not able to recognize them, and he not let them carry him because he don't know that who are them. Let's see what happened. When they reached the house, Jane was almost falling under the lamp's weight. She was glad to hand him to Martha, who was waiting for them at the door. Martha snatched him from her. When they reached the house, then Jane almost falling under the lamp's weight, and she handed the baby to Martha, and she was very glad that taken the Martha had taken the baby, and Martha was waiting them at the door. And Martha snatched him, Miss Martha snatched the baby from her. Snatch means the student to take something with a quick, rough movement. Then Martha uh, snatched the baby from her. Why Martha snatched the baby? Because Martha is also not able to recognize them. She don't know that who the children were, and that's why she snatched the baby from her. Who on who on earth are you? She demanded. What are you doing with our baby? Martha is saying that who are you? I don't know. And what are you doing with our baby? Why you have taken the baby? We are us, said Robert. I am Robert. Then Robert is saying, we are, means we are the children, and I am the Robert. And I am Cyril, said Cyril. Let us in. Then Cyril is saying, I am the Cyril, and please let us inside the house. Please, we know we look different, but begin Anthea. Then Anthea started it saying that please let us in. We know that we have changed. We look different now, but we are the same. So let us in. I don't know who you lot are or what you are up to, snapped Martha. But if our children put you up to this, they will be in trouble. Shoo! She shut the door in their faces. You lot means here a way of saying you all. Then Martha is saying, I don't know you all are, and what are you doing here? Why you came here? And snap Martha, but if our children put you up to this, they will be trouble. So please you all go from here. And she saying shoo, and she shut the door on their faces. The children banged at the door and rang the bell, but it was no good. They wandered away down the lane, hungry, thirsty, and strangely beautiful. Finally, tired and with nowhere to go, they sat under a hedge. Under a hedge. The children banged. Banged means student to make a loud noise by hitting something hard. Means the children banged on the door and they rang the bell also, but it was of no use. Why? Because Martha didn't open the door. That's why it was no use to bang on the door or ring the bell. And but after they tried a lot, but it was of no use, so they moved from there and they wandered here and there, and they wandered away down in the lane, and they were hungry also, thirsty also, but strongly beautiful means extremely beautiful. Finally tired and with nowhere to go, they sat down under a hedge. Finally they were very tired, and there's no place to go, so they sat under a hedge. It will wear off at sunset, said Jane. Then we will look normal again. Then Jane is saying that uh, wear off. Wear off means will slowly disappear. Means that our appearance means our change faces. It will be slowly disappear when the sun set, and then we will look normal again. They huddled together for comfort. They fell asleep when Anthea woke. The sun had set. It's all right, she cried. We are ordinary again. Then after that, when Jen told to them that after the sun set, they will become normal again. So after hearing this, they huddle. Huddle means student come close together in a group. They huddle to each other. They huddle together and feel comfort. And after that, they all fell asleep. And after some time, Anthea woke, and the sun had already set. It's all right. And she cried, we are ordinary again. Anthea looked at each other, at other children, and she cried. That means she's happy, and she cried that now we become ordinary again. We have changed, means we have normal again. It's all right now. Everything is okay. Where do you think you have been? Demanded Martha when they got home. We had some very strange children here this afternoon. Then the Martha is saying that from where you all are coming, and from where do you think you have been all the day? And Martha is saying. Then they said that there we have a strange children here this afternoon. They were horrible, said Anthea. They stopped us from coming home until now. We only just got away and we were starving. Now they have make a story, and Anthea is saying that that five children were very horrible, and they have stopped us, and they have not let us come to home until now, and we just only got away. We are starving, and now we just got a time and we come here, and now we are starving means we are hungry, and now we are hungry. Sorry, we were hungry. Well, don't you go near them again, said Martha, as cook brought in a supper that looked and smelled delicious. Supper means today's a main meal eaten in the evening. Okay, then Martha is saying to them, okay, don't go again near to them. And Martha and the cook has brought the dinner, and that look and smell delicious to the children. Now children have make a story and told to the Martha that that five children have stopped them. They not let them go home. Then Martha is saying that okay, don't go near again to them. And cook had brought the supper, and dinner, and it's looked delicious. It's looked and smelled delicious. We will take good care to never see them again, said Robert, and they never have. Then Robert said to Martha, we will take care that we will never meet and see that fourth and that children, no, sorry, those children again. We will try, and they have never done that again. Student, this is a story extract. This is an extract from the five children and it. Now this chapter is over. Thank you.